hey, hey, hey. Every day it's getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Every day seems a little faster. All my friends say, go on up and ask her. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, every day seems a little stronger. Every day lasts a little longer. Come what may. Do you ever long for true love from me? Hey, every day it's getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, every day it's getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, 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 every day seems a little faster. All my friends say, go on up and ask her. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, 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 every day seems a little stronger. Every day lasts a little longer. Come what may. Do you ever long for true love from me? Hey, every day is getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Love like yours will surely come my way. Every day, every day. Hey, 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 every day, every day.
Our Lady of the bus depot is holding forth tonight. Her body it is wasted, but her eyes are shining bright. And our Father, who art slightly drunk, is warding off the shakes, and he staggers underneath the weight of the promises he makes. Say grace, forgive yourself for all of your mistakes. You can start all over if that's what it takes. Come inside and set yourself a place and say grace. We are gathered here together to praise His holy name in a shelter by the Greyhound station down on 5th and Main. And as to who we're praying to, they'll run to schools of thought, a benevolent provider, or an unforgiving God. Say grace, forgive yourself for all of your mistakes. You might find salvation in your neighbor's face. inside and set yourself a place and say grace. With a Bible on the table saying, be of good cheer. With the TV in the corner screaming, you're not welcome here. And on a poster in the waiting room, she greets the tired and poor. Our Lady of the Harbor stands beside a golden door. Say grace, say grace. Forgive yourself for all of your mistakes. You are not a loser, you are not a hopeless case. Come inside and set yourself